I have been a two-time consecutive overall AIU champion in Moot court. I've also participated in over 25 plus national as well as international moots. My name is Arvind. I hail from Tamil Nadu and I have pursued a 5-year BA LLB honors program from Chandigarh University. It has provided me considerable scholarship. For the past 2 years, I've been studying here full free, 100% scholarship I'm on. I've been blessed with decent and wonderful people, be it in the nature of friends or as in the nature of faculties here, and treated to a more or less extent as a family member of their own. So I've done utter about 8 to 10 internships, the prominent among them being I've interned recently under one of the senior advocates of the Supreme Court, be it at the district level or High Court level, both of which I've interned. Chandigarh University during my 5 years has organized several international global law conferences wherein Chief Justices of other countries have been invited. The university has also provided us one-on-one interaction often and audience with sitting judges of the High Courts as well as retired judges and other legal luminaries who are in the forefront of the profession. My 5 years has been very fruitful. I've grown as a person and more as a lawyer as well. In one word, all I have to say is I have utmost gratitude for the university.